IFTT Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the e-Affiliate Program Review. In this video, we'll walk you through the features of IFTTT, the benefits of their affiliate program, and how you can start earning commissions. Be sure to check the description below for links to the product and more details. IFTTT, which stands for If This Then That, is an incredibly powerful automation tool that connects different apps and services to create seamless workflows. With IFTTT, users can create custom automation to make their everyday tasks easier. It allows you to link apps like Google, Twitter, Instagram, Amazon Alexa, and hundreds of others to trigger actions based on specific conditions, known as applets. For example, you can set an applet to automatically post to social media, sync files between platforms, or even control smart home devices. The possibilities are endless. The best part about IFTTT is its ease of use. You don't need to have any coding knowledge to create automation. Simply select your apps, choose an action, and let IFTTT take care of the rest. It's a fantastic solution for individuals, marketers, businesses, and even home automation enthusiasts who want to simplify workflows and improve productivity. Now, let's talk about the IFT Affiliate Program. This program gives you the opportunity to promote IFTTT's premium services, offering you the chance to earn commissions for every customer you refer. The program operates on a flat rate payout system, so every successful referral gets you a one-time payment. As a marketer, you can leverage IFTTT's easy-to-use automation platform to reach a wide range of audiences, including small business owners, tech enthusiasts, and even large enterprises looking to optimize their operations. IFTTT's target audience includes anyone interested in simplifying their digital lives, whether it's personal users automating daily tasks or businesses looking to streamline processes and enhance their customer experience. The affiliate program is great for those who already have an audience in the tech, productivity, or home automation spaces. In conclusion, the IFTTT affiliate program offers a simple, lucrative opportunity for affiliates who want to promote a high-quality automation tool. With its user-friendly platform and a growing number of integrations, IFTTT is a great fit for a broad range of audiences. If you're looking for a product to promote that offers great value and can help your audience save time, this affiliate program is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description to sign up and start earning today. Thanks for watching.